A few moments later.
Hey, so I shopped online and got pre-qualified for this SUV. Now I want to see it in person, take it for a test drive,
And we have it in red.
Lobsters only turn red when you boil them.
Blue?
yeah, let's do blue.
Shop online, see it in person. CarMax.
We don't know where your VW will take you, but we do know where its journey begins. The Volkswagen Atlas, Atlas Cross Sport, and ID4. Proudly assembled in Chattanooga. Visit your Volkswagen dealer today and get a $7,500 EV lease bonus on a new 2025